In this video, I'll show you the easiest options for novices to generate money online, which are available all around the world. What exactly are they? We will find out soon enough. This is the most convenient method to earn money online. As a result, if I come up with a new and innovative technique to generate money online, you will be the first to know about it. As a result, make the maximum money possible. Do you want to start generating money online as a complete newbie but haven't yet come up with a viable strategy? If that is the case, you have arrived at the correct spot. As of today, I'll show you a few applications that you may utilize to start generating money right away after seeing this video. The best part is that you don't have to perform any of the work yourself. As a result, I'll show you both active and passive revenue streams. To put it another way, I'll show you two applications that will pay you for doing nothing and one app that will pay you a lot of money simply for viewing videos. You will be able to optimize your profits by combining passive and active revenue streams in this way. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Alright, let's get right into the first app without further ado. Screenlift.io is the first app on our list. So how does this software operate and how do you get paid? When you visit their site, you may create your first screen, customize your first screen with their many unique features as you can see straight away. This is the first software that I've encountered that compensates you in this manner. As a result, it is one of a kind, and after that, you will simply use your phone as you typically would. You will also be compensated. That amount you get paid is determined by how much time you spend on your phone, and I'm sure many of you do it frequently. Each time you unlock your phone, you will earn lifts that you can pay out for real money. So basically, you'll earn these lifts and then trade them in for actual money. That is all there is to it. If you don't want to or don't have the time to spend on it, this is terrific software to use and be paid with. You simply ignore it and go about your business as usual. And it is fantastic that you can get paid for doing something you already do regularly by utilizing this app. There are several testimonies down below that you may read if you like. You may also look at the reviews in Google Play to see what other people have to say about this app. As you can see, it has a 3.7-star rating on this site, which is rather good. It is not spectacular, but it is also not horrible. One disadvantage of this software is that it does not appear to be accessible on iOS device at this time. However, this may change in the future. And for the time being, you may only use the Android version. In terms of payment, you will be paid using PayPal, which I know many of you prefer based on your comments. So yes, PayPal is supported by this app. GetSlyJoy is the second software on our list that will pay you in the form of passive income. This software operates in a completely different way from the old one, which you can see right now. It will primarily display ads. Advertisers pay to get their ads seen by as many people as possible. SlyJoy will then donate a portion of the proceeds to people like you. It'll function on your phone in a very straightforward manner. It will display your details about what is being marketed if you slide left and additional adverts if you go up. By sliding right, you will be taken directly to your home screen. In essence, the amount you get paid is determined by how frequently you unlock your phone, as each time as you do so, you will be exposed to adverts. If you use your phone frequently, this is ideal since it means you'll be unlocking it more frequently, which means you'll get paid more frequently. As you can see from the examples below, your screen is going to look great, so you won't be bombarded with a million advertisements and your phone screen will be in shambles. Actually, it appears to be rather wonderful. More testimonials and what individuals have said about this may be seen below. The fact that they've been featured on CNBC, Business Insider, and other major media outlets proves that this is a genuine app that will pay you in real money. In terms of payment, you may see how you're paid down below. First and foremost, you have PayPal, which I believe will be the payment method of choice for the vast majority of us. But you can also contribute the money you make to assist others, which I believe is a great idea. You can see that this is accessible in Google Play just below that, near the bottom of the page. There is no iOS version available like there was with the prior app. However, I believe they make up for it with the high number of positive ratings they have on here. They have almost 100,000 reviews on their website, and as a result, this is a very popular app. Simply put, popular applications can't be defrauding people and yet have a 3.7 star rating as seen here. That is all there is to it. I like you to remember something. These two applications aren't going to make you wealthy, so don't hold your breath for unrealistic outcomes because you're not doing anything and being paid for nothing. And as a result, the money you earn will not change your life. So, I've got a bonus app for you that will pay you extra money, but you'll have to put in some effort. But before I go, if you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort into making, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on. Let's return to the bonus app now. S1.wintub.com is the name of the bonus app. It is no surprise that the app's name is quite similar to YouTube. You will get paid to view videos right here. Now, the diversity of the aforementioned videos is something I particularly enjoy. You will not be bombarded with the same advertisements over and over again. However, they will offer you a variety of media, including movies and TV series that are both intriguing and entertaining to view. Making money with this app will not be as difficult as it is with comparable apps. Furthermore, the nicest part about watching videos is that you are not required to watch them. You may just come on here, watch one video, and then go to do something else, then return to watch another video and leave to do something else again. As some of you may already know, one of my favorite methods to make money online is through watching movies. You can see what I was talking about a minute ago. Commercials, movies, and TV series on the internet down here. It is a fantastic method to make money at WinTub. The fact that you are not limited to seeing advertisements is what distinguishes this app from others. It also makes getting paid a lot more enjoyable. However, as you can see to the right, simply watching videos does not earn you money. If you don't have much time to devote to watching all of these videos, referring your friends might be a great method to earn money. Once again, you will be compensated mostly through PayPal. However, there are alternative possibilities. You may learn more about their partners by visiting this page. Then immediately below it, you will see the Get Started button, which you should click to register for this app. I am going to do that right now so I can show you how this looks and how much you'll be paid. So if you log into your fresh new account, this is how the app will look, and as you can see, you earn $5 simply for joining up, which is fantastic. You can see the video you must view and the amount of money you will be paid just below. This isn't a large sum of money, but it adds up rapidly after watching a few of these videos. And once again, you are under no obligation to view them. Simply leave them running and turn off the audio while you go about your business, then return to play the next video and so on. Furthermore, integrating this software with the two applications I previously showed you would increase your income, which is why I strongly advise you to use all three to be paid. Remember, this is a completely free service with no prerequisites. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.